welcome to the vlog. I'm just gonna start off by saying I am officially back on YouTube now, hopefully forever. Can you tell how happy I am? Like, at least I don't have to just talk to myself. Now I can talk to myself and post it on the internet. Isn't that a girl's dream? But though, seriously though, like I had stopped, or rather like I had lost motivation because like I wanted to improve on my quality. So, because like I enjoy watching all these YouTubers and everything, but of course there's always quality like in the things that they're putting out. And I wanted to do the same and I couldn't do that at the time. So I decided to pause until God provided a way. And my mom, thank you to my mom. And my mom, thank you to my mom. She did the thing, and yeah, so here we are. Thank you to mom and thank you to God for me being able to come back with this. Yeah, I don't care how many people watch my videos. I'm just happy that I'm able to do it again because it's something that I genuinely enjoy. So yeah, we're back on YouTube. So today is the 16th of February, which means my birthday week has officially begun. My birthday is this weekend, so yeah. But anyways, I'm usually one of those girls who usually cry on their birthday. I'm just an emotional person, okay? You have to understand. But like, I'm very thankful every time I'm able to grow older. But like, it's kind of sad sometimes, you know. But anyways, I want to arrange my room right now because I think the last month or so has just been like kind of like a haze. I feel like I've let things go this January and February just like passed by, like starting to pick up the pieces like from last week. Like last week is even when I started like at least going outside. Otherwise I was just inside the house, just there refreshing my email because hey, tough. That's all I'm gonna say. But let me just arrange my room. I just have a couple of clothes to like put on the hangers. I did like laundry last week. I folded the clothes. Then I usually put clothes that I'm supposed to hang in a basket. And then once they enter the baskets, sasa kuzitoa hapo ndio inakuanga shida. So let me put them away real quick and then probably now try and clean up like all the clutter that's around. Yeah, it wasn't a small pile, but we're gonna make it. So I don't know if I'm the only one who does this. The clothes can't all fit in like hangers by themselves. It won't fit. Already my closet is full. I have to stapler like coats or jackets together. Am I the only one who does this? Okay, I'm not gonna say I'm the only one. It's a very normal person thing. I don't have a room which is only my closet. These are like the comfiest PJs ever, but they're so irrelevant like right now and even generally where we live because it's usually a bit warmer. My mama gave me a rose. They were given at work. So many pair because I said I love flowers. It's only one, so I'm gonna put it in like a bottle and wait for it to like die so I can dry it and add it to my collection of dried flowers. This is my collection of dried flowers. The bouquet I got during my graduation. See, this is where I keep my coats. My coats like have literally filled this whole space. These are all the jeans that I have. That's why I'm saying I have to stack like the coats, as you can see, so that they can fit. I have so many. Ugali, cabbage and pork for lunch. Pork is like my favorite type of animal protein, and I'm having that with like some tepache, I don't know, like the pineapple skin beverage. Yes, and I don't know, I can explain the taste, but if you like kombucha, you'll like this. I'm also playing this game. This is my current favorite game. It's about like dressing up and whatnot. I was kind of obsessed the whole of last week, but yeah, I've toned it down kidogo. I want to undo this front part of my hair. I'm planning to take up this hair for this month. See, this is the person who's distracting me. I don't want to like staki kutoa nywele yote just because I'm not really doing anything major. I just want to remove this front part. Kumbele imetoka mingi sana. So today I want to wash our cats. We have 2 cats. This is Robert. We recently adopted him. I kind of think he's not a he, he's probably a she. He's a she, but we've never gotten a chance to like wash him. This is Hazel and Ogopa Maji, and we've done this for a long time, like for weeks now, and she still fears water. Anyways, we're gonna get through it. He's a clean fella. Also wake up. Okay. He's made me like wet. I've finished washing my cats and they have successfully washed me as well. I want to bulk create content for the week. I'm really hyped up to be posting. Hey, you'll get tired of seeing me, baby. Otherwise, I don't have anything much planned for the day. I'm kind of hungry. I've not eaten yet. Let's go make some. This is breakfast. This is brunch. Also, my heat rash is back. This is one of the cats scratched me while I was washing them. I'm out of Candid B, so I'm just gonna use Cetrinic. It kind of works, not as good as Candid B because Candid B just gets rid of everything. I think because of the irritation, I want to use something, so I'm just gonna. I just prepared lunch. I'm having like a steak sandwich. This is my first meal of the day. It has cheese, lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, and pickled onions. some burger sauce. I eat it with this ukwaju sauce. Having that with some ukwaju juice mixed with some tepache that I had yesterday.
Or ask if I'm dieting, which
I feel like my skin is dry as hell, like kind of peeling as well. Probably the sun, and not like breaking out like too much at this little point. My skin like has become so dry and I think very textured. My not having a skincare routine is catching up with me. Yesterday my heat rash got so bad when I woke up in the morning. As you can see, I've always had like this problem with trash since I was a child. I tried using the medicine that I was using before, but that didn't work. Tell my mom to get it for me, the Candid B. Yeah, so I applied it yesterday night and it's kind of improving. Wow, my mirror is so dirty. I'm wearing this dress from my mom. She gave this to me like a long while back, but I love this dress. This is how they turned out. I've already like tasted one to make sure. They just need a little hit of salt, but they're actually really good. I'm thinking I should have it with the ukwaju. Good morning, guys. The eve of my birthday. I'm kind of excited. I don't know. I'm also quite nervous. I was planning to go to this place, but the thing is, this like event, I don't know most of the people. Yeah, I'm a socially awkward person. Like, I'm not good with new people. I'm good with people I've known kidogo. Plus, also, I was trying to plan my outfit beforehand. Knowing what I'll wear makes me less nervous and just makes me ready to go. And it just kind of solidifies the thing. But I was having so much trouble, so I don't know. But I'll show you tomorrow. But yeah, so this is the progress of the Candid B. What's left is the scarring. Otherwise, my rashes are no longer like there. It's no longer like inflamed. Been using it for the last 2 days. You're supposed to use it twice a day, but I've been using it only once a day because I always forget. But maybe if I used it regularly, it would have been better. So right now I want to go and make my birthday cake. I've been making my birthday cakes for the last 3 years since I took up baking more seriously. Last year's cake was my first like big cake. I had a party with my friends here. It was like a chocolate cake, which was my favorite type of cake, with like a chocolate mousse, and it was delish. This time I want to make a honey cake with cream cheese, brown butter frosting, and a whipped caramel fillings. Hopefully it will turn out like how I think it will turn out in my head. That's really good. Morning, guys. It's my birthday. So I'm getting ready to leave right now. Go for the picnic. I'll show you my fit. Honestly though, I am very thankful to God to be able to add another year to my life. So I'm turning 22 and honestly blessings and thank you to God.